All right, so this is the time for the final step.
Final step, your favorite part.
Some
Sprinkle
color.
the excitement.
Sprinkling the excitement.
Yeah.
Yeah, the excitement wouldn't come out. Grab a fork and a plate, because this is how to Foodie Nation. And today, Arlene will be teaching us about coconut curry shrimp. So let's get cooking.
Okay, Kez, so we're doing coconut curry shrimp today.
Coconut curry shrimp.
Yes. So first, you have your shrimp, you need to season your shrimp.
Okay.
All right, and we use local seasoning, of course.
Of
So we have our
course.
green seasoning, a little salt. So let's jump it in.
So this whole here. Where you want first, the salt?
This one.
Oh,
That's something
well, all
else
these
just
things
now.
you put in front of me. You should have
Because
said
already.
the blended fresh seasoning.
Yes, the blended one. I
Okay.
apologize.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go ahead.
You
go
tell
ahead.
me when to stop.
That's good.
Oh gosh, I have the fish, the shrimp swimming.
Yes. All
Swimming.
seafood must have a second chance at life in seasoning.
Oh, so they must swim in it.
Yes, swim in
Okay,
it.
no problem.
Right, so give me a little salt and a little black pepper.
Sure, will do.
All right, that's good. You don't want to put too much because shrimp absorbs flavor really, really fast.
Okay.
So we don't even need to marinate this.
So we go straight from the
Straight.
seasoning to the pot?
Yep.
Okay.
Straight from there. All right. And this is very simple. This is all you need for this.
Okay.
All right.
So we're done there.
Yes. So into a hot pot, we do a little oil,
What kind of heat is this? Like a medium?
medium to high.
All right.
Yes. And then I have my curry powder, which I will cook. Remember what I told
Yes.
you.
You must cook the people curry.
Yes.
You can't just throw the powder in just like that.
And add water. No.
Of
You must
course.
fry the curry. All right.
Wake up the curry.
Right.
Easy
All right.
peasy.
And always with the sizzle.
Yes.
Always with the
It's
sizzle.
important. It's important. So after the curry now, who happening where?
The chop seasoning.
So this is where I
Yes.
come in.
So the
Okay.
chop seasoning
Chop
has
seasoning.
garlic, pimento, of course, some
all
chive, and
this?
a little bit of Chadon Beni.
All right.
All right.
And now we saute it with our curry
Yes.
and marry those flavors.
Correct. So of course, just like before, we
Yeah.
put a little tips of water for me.
A little tip. Where the water, girl?
Give me the ground seasoning.
You'll take the
Just
seasoning?
a little liquid,
A
yeah.
little liquid then.
Yeah, just to loosen things up a little bit.
A little more?
Pour in. Right.
This is what you're for improvising. this is what happens in the kitchen, guys. You have to be realistic. It's not perfect, but we learn.
Right. So once you get this here, remember shrimp cooks fast.
Yes.
Right? So we have to make sure that our sauce is pretty much close to finish.
Right.
So let's let this simmer and steam a little bit to
Yeah.
get the flavors out of the seasoning, and
Okay.
we'll come back and finish the sauce, add the shrimp, and we're done.
Easy.
Real quick.
Real quick.
Okay, so you see we have our nice seasoned curry paste here. Right, this is where your favorite ingredient is coming.
Is that the coconut milk?
Yes, this is the coconut to the curry coconut.
Well, I am glad to see it.
Right, so remember the plan is always to pour a little.
Oh, poor lot. Oh, gosh. No, but I
Check
remember.
it.
A little at a time. Check the consistency. Make sure
Yes.
we're not overpowering anything. And then we could always add more.
Yes, so this is a little thick, so we want to add some water. We have water this time.
We have the water, guys. We have the water.
What's up, Astro? All right, great.
Is that better now?
That is good. So as soon as this starts to bubble,
Yeah.
we add the shrimp.
Okay.
And I like to switch off just before the shrimp is finished because the
Okay.
heat will stay in and finish. All right, and then we have our special garnish. See, I bring some
Yeah,
color
yeah,
for
yeah. I
you.
see we have some vibrancy happening over here.
Yes. Every
we
time
have-
I come to make something, I remember, Kez likes color.
I love color. That is what our culture is about. That's what our food is about. Being lively and vibrant and happy.
Yes.
So,
So-
those bubbles are peeking through
Bubbles
there.
are coming through.
Right.
All right. So we're going to put in our
So we're
shrimp.
just dashing it in.
I wouldn't recommend that.
So a little at a time,
Yeah.
gently.
I like to be careful. When we're out in the yard, we could throw things as we want.
When we're in the house,
When
we have
we're
to
in
behave.
this nice little kitchen, we
Okay.
had to,
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And this recipe works for bigger shrimp as well, eh?
The jumbo size.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, same kind of technique, same You know, so it's whatever size shrimp you want.
The only thing left to decide is what we eating it with. I feel like we could come up with the basmati rice.
Yes.
The basmati
I was
rice.
just about to say some rice, a nice plain, you know, because this have real flavor.
I can't wait to taste.
All right. So we have enough sauce running in this shrimp here.
And how do we know that our shrimp is ready?
It gets a little. Sorry. I'm lying down in the curry now.
Yeah.
It gets a little pink around the edges, and you know you can tell it's kind of a little more plump.
Right.
And kind of white.
What do you need?
So I have these thyme sticks.
Thyme.
Right? And I like to put this in whole.
Okay.
And then we take it out at the end.
Ah, we
That's
just fish
my
it out.
way. Yeah. Because
That's
also
fine.
maybe I don't want to pick off all the leaves. Maybe that's why.
Maybe it's a little laziness.
Yes, maybe.
It's fine. We doing that. We'll fish it out after.
Yeah. So we're going to just wait for our shrimp to finish cook.
Sure.
And then we add our fresh tomatoes at the very end.
And that's it.
And that's it. All right.
All right. So this is the time for the final step.
Final step, your favorite part.
Some
Sprinkle
color.
the excitement.
Sprinkling the excitement.
Yeah.
Yeah. The excitement wouldn't come out.
Right.
And that
So
is it.
This is it. So at this point, we switch off. And that's it.
And we save and we eat. Let's do it.
All right.
Arlene, I think we've come to the most important part of this recipe.
Yes.
The tasting.
When is it not important?
I mean, come on, this is why we cook, to taste.
Yes.
So please, shall we?
Well, I cook for you to taste.
So you're trying to say Kazian first?
Yes, well, you know, a lot of the compliments is really what we work for, you know.
Okay, no problem. I'll be sure to
So
compliment.
make sure when somebody cook for you that you compliment.
No problem.
All right. Enjoy.
Thank you.
The shrimp nice and bouncy.
Juicy shrimp. First of all, the coconut milk is my favorite part of this. I love the mix of coconut and curry. I feel like it makes sense.
Always. Coconut
Yeah.
makes sense in everything.
Everything. So we need to grab that basmati rice in the back there, put it on
Pour
two
some of that
plates,
shrimp over it.
and get to eating.
All right, cool.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you love all our recipes and want to see us do more, please feel free to support us. Check that link in the description bar for more Foodie Nation merchandise and teas like mine. Until next time, bye-bye.